So as the last step, we have installing a pixel, which is super important for you to track your data, see if your ads are working. So this is a two-step process. You need to go to your business settings again, click on data sources, and then select data sets. Here you need to add the new pixel, which you can just do by clicking add, and just name this data set, which would be just school group pixel, just to make sure it's easy to track. Then click on create. Here you can choose whichever option. I recommend the first one, and then hit next, and then you can just exit this and make sure you have this pixel selected, because you need to assign yourself so you have access to it. So you need to click assign people. I actually select all because it's best to have the API connected as well, and then give yourself full control. And then we also need to connect the ad account to this pixel. So you need to click on assign assets, and then here you need to select the new ad account that we just created. So you can just click add, and then it's done, ready to go. Now you need to go to Skool and select the group that you want to set up tracking for. So I have my paid group. You need to go to settings, click on plugins, and then if you scroll down, you will see meta pixel tracking, which is currently off. So to turn it on, you need to click edit, turn it on, and then you will have the options to connect the meta pixel. So you will need to insert the meta pixel ID and the access token. They give you pretty nice tutorials, which I recommend watching if it's easier to you, but you can basically go back to the business settings, make sure you have the correct pixel selected, click on open in Events Manager, and then once you have the pixel, you go to settings, and you will find the dataset ID here. So it's named dataset ID, but the metapixel ID is the same. So you need to click on copy and then just paste it here. For the access token, scroll down a little bit, and we need to select setup with the direct integration, and you will see an option to generate access token. So once you click on it, you can just copy the code by clicking here. So it's done. Go back to the Skool page and then paste the access token. So once it's done, you just need to connect your page, and it takes a few seconds to connect it. So we need to test the app. There are two ways to do it. You can just click on test, and you can see it's a success. But you can also go back to your pixel, go to test events, and then select the second one, confirm your website events are set up correctly, and then run the test to your Skool page. Enter the URL and actually make sure it's going to the about section. So open website. Okay, we are at the about page. Let's do some clicks. Go back to the events manager, and we can see its success is tracking page view.